So today, this will just be a Zara house type beat in Fruity Loops studio. So yeah, let's see what takes place. Now, for those who don't know how to use Fruity Loops Studio, or if you're just starting out, if you want to get uh, drums, go to packs, press that, then you got your drums. So cymbals, kicks, kits, sound effects, snares, toms, some more drums, claps, all of that. Hats, kicks, percussions, shakers, snares, toms. Then if you go to this one, legacy, click drums, and you'll see the dance drums, vintage kits, and real drum kits. So the one for me is this one, the dance stuff, which is what I mostly use. But yeah. So that's how to find your pieces of drums in FL Studio. But yeah. If you want to find like your external sounds, like samples or just sounds to use, press this button here, and that will load up your samples. So for me, that will just be like this. Then for me, it will just be that one, because that's where most of the sounds for me is. Then yeah, then they sound like this. Yeah, so for me, it's just that one. Simple. If you want to make it sound a bit louder, press this normalize button. So yeah, that's how you start things off. If you want to copy and paste that melody, press Control A. That will do this. Go to here, go to edit, and go to copy. Go like this. Just press that. Hold Control V. That will make it do this. Then just drag it along like that, like this, and yeah, and that will sound like this. So, yeah, come out of that. Go like this. Press right click on this. Put fill each 4 steps. That will sound like this. If you want to edit things, if you want to change things around a bit, you can do so here. Then put some claps in like this. Just press that. Make sure that it's once every 2, so like that. Don't pump like that, like this, like that. So now, just add some hi-hats. Just make sure that they like this if you're making like this kind of beats and music. So it's once every few. That go like that. That will sound like this. Save it, of course. this. Go like that. If you want to add like some bounce to it, press this, go down, you'll either hear something like this, so that one, or this one. That one, like that. So then for me, I'll go to that one, press like this, open it in the new channel. So right click this, go like that, that will be there like this. That will sound like this. Cool. Press this, piano roll. So then to add some bounce, press this button here, snap to grid, and press either 1/6 of a step or none. So for me that will be this one. Then play it. So then to save time, press right click, press this one like that. That will just repeat that. Press this, press that to load the sample. Go to that one. So for me that read like this. That one. Press that. Don't really have to do that because that'll make it sound too loud, and that's not what you don't want to get to that stage yet. Not yet. Press like that. Close it, and then to save time, go here. Press Control C. Go here. Go here, and press Control V. That way you save time from trying to manually do that again. That just wastes time. So then that will sound like this. So yeah, that sounds like that. Then if you want to add a different sound, just press this, right click. It's same process as before. Press that one, press this, press that one to load your sample again. So then for me, that would probably be something like this. Something like this. Yep. Then go there, Control C, go here, Control V, and that would sound like this. So then, yeah, yeah. So that is how to approach making a Zara house type beat in Fruity Loops Studio.